Hi there! Every day we use devices with high-quality consumer displays. For example, in our laptops, smartphones or tablets. If you need a display that performs well in the demanding environment, here comes the industrial display. Let's have a closer look at what makes them different. Displays used in consumer devices are designed for typical conditions: moderate lighting, stable temperature, no resistance for water, contaminants and dust. They are for personal usage. But these are the displays which may not perform well in the demanding environment. Industrial displays are built to face demanding environments. Here are called weather condition changes, shock and vibrations, liquids and dust, and heavy use. Industrial displays are ready for anything. They are used across a wide range of applications, both indoor and outdoor. In factories, shopping centers, hospitals, train stations, airports, and public transportation. Anywhere, reliable access to the information is critical. In sunlight, in shade, under the intense lighting, industrial displays ensure a bright and sharp image regardless of the conditions. Thanks to additional protective features, industrial displays are even resistant to mechanical damage, including acts of vandalism. It's important to note that the industrial displays are more expensive than the commercial ones. This is due to the use of more durable and industrial-grade components, such as capacitors, PCBs, connectors, and many more, as well as the different, more complex production process. Life cycle of industrial displays is even up to 10 years, whereas the commercial displays may be available on the market just for the few years. Industrial displays must always be tailored for the specific requirements of the customer and the environment. At Unisystem, we create the displays that work reliably in all conditions. Durable, resistant, and ready for any challenge. If you'd like to find out more, please go to Unisystem webpage or contact me directly. Thanks for watching.